Hey, there's no right way to make textures. There are as many ways to make textures as there are days in the year. I'm going to show you one way to get started. And for us, the easiest way to get started is with a photograph. This is a photograph of a modeled surface, and this is a landscape orientation. That means it's wider than it is tall. This is a picture of cracks in some material that looks like stone, but it's not stone. Excuse me. It's fake. And both of these were taken at Grossmont Center. So you don't have to go anywhere exotic to get pictures of textures. You can get them at Valhalla. But I will tell you, the texture is going to start with the landscape orientation. This is a portrait orientation. Think of it. There's a head, there's your senior picture. We want to be able to rotate these things easily and then be able to play an action that's going to get us started with textures, renaming that original image, adding a black and white adjustment layer, a levels adjustment layer, 3 blank layers just waiting for us to populate. And we're sitting here on the properties of the levels panel, ready, willing, and able to start adjusting this in order to pick just the right place we want to start. And I'm going to come back and show you how to make, not only saving out these textures, but how to make this action right here. Simple.